Hi students, welcome back. See, this is your material reading session. So all of you take your material and take a pencil and start to split now what I am reading. Okay? Yeah, see, in that before session, we just completed the teaching portion of Beyond the Universe. The poem, new poem, Beyond the Universe. Are you clear about the story of this poem? Okay, so now time for material reading. So all of you take your material and take a pencil and listen carefully. So this poem have a memory lines for you. Okay, so the first 4 lines is for your memory lines. So read well the memory lines. In examination it will compulsory ask at least 4 marks or 3 marks. Okay, so read well with every spellings and the punctuation marks. So read these 4 lines clearly. Okay, see, so you have 4 Romans and then book back 1 Roman in this poem. So these all the things now I will read and give the material reading. Okay. So all of you take a pencil and ready to split. See, first Roman is memory lines. See, the first 4 lines is for your memory lines. Listen it once again, all of you. I dream of flying. I dream of flying beyond the earth. I dream of flying beyond the earth. Amidst the planets and the countless stars I would stop by the red planet Mars. I would stop by the red planet Mars. Here we dream of a home. Here we dream of a home. Here we dream of a home. Away from home. Away from home. See the 4 lines once again. I will read and give. Listen carefully. I dream of flying beyond the earth, amidst the planets and the countless stars. I would stop by the red planet Mars. Here we dream of a home, away from home. See once again, I dream of flying beyond the earth, amidst the planets and the countless stars. I would stop by the red planet Mars. Here we dream of a home, away from home. Are you clear? See, this is the next second Roman, synonyms. So synonyms, it's a same meaning words, isn't it? See, first one, amidst. Amidst. Amidst meaning surrounded by. Surrounded by. Next, second one, marvel. Wonder. Marvel. Wonder. Resembles, similar to. Resembles, similar to. Beyond, reach. Beyond, reach. Further, forward. Further, forward. See once again, amidst, surrounded by. Marvel, wonder. Resembles, similar to. Beyond, reach. Further, forward. Are you clear? See, next third Roman, rhyming words. See, in this poem we have 2 rhyming words only. See the first one, stars, Mars. So in first stanza we have a rhyming word stars, Mars. In second stanza display, way, display, way. See, these two only rhyming words in this poem. Okay. See once again, stars, Mars, display, way. Are you clear? See next, fourth Roman question answers. See the question. First question, split it all of you. Where is the poet? Where is the poet flying to in the dream? Where is the poet flying to in the dream? The poet is flying. The poet is flying beyond the earth in his dream. The poet is flying beyond the earth in his dream. Next, second one, which planet has rings around it? Which planet has rings around it? Saturn has rings around it. Saturn has rings around it. Which planet has red storm? Which planet has red storm? The Mars has red storm. The Mars has red storm. Next, fourth question. Why does the poet fly out of the universe? Why does the poet fly out of the universe? The poet flies out of the universe. The poet flies out of the universe to meet the Creator. To meet the Creator. The poet flies out of the universe to meet the Creator. See next, fifth question. Name the planets the poet flies through. Name the planets the poet flies through. Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The planets the poet flies through. Next, the sixth question. Find the rhyme scheme in the last stanza. Find the rhyme scheme for the last stanza. To meet the Creator. To meet the Creator of this magnificent display. Of this magnificent display. To take me beyond the Milky Way. To take me beyond the Milky Way. To voyage across the galaxies. To voyage across the galaxies. Rhyme scheme A, B, B, C. See, in this poem we have a rhyme scheme A, B, B, C. A, B, B, C. Isn't it? Okay. Next, book back 1 Roman. Match the planets and its feature. See, here given the planets and their its speciality. Okay. So already in that poem, which one given? So that only here also refers. See, first one, Mars. Mars, red planet. Mars, red planet. Saturn, ring and moons. Saturn, ring and moons. Next, Jupiter, red storm. Jupiter, red storm. Uranus, blue ice giant. Uranus, blue ice giant. Neptune, rolling on its axis. Neptune, rolling on its axis. See once again, match. Mars, red planet. Saturn, ring and moons. Jupiter, red storm. Uranus, blue ice giant. Uranus, blue ice giant. Neptune, rolling on its axis. Neptune, rolling on its axis. See, so that's all dears for your material reading portion. So listen it carefully and then read well and write it in your test notes. Okay, so in this material reading portion, which one for your home test means? First Roman memory lines and then fourth Roman 1 to 6 questions. Are you clear? So this 2 parts only for your home test portion today itself. So read well. See, first Roman is memory lines. So memory lines always helps you to get the marks in your examination. Okay. So read the memory lines with your perfect, neat and correct spellings with correct punctuation marks. Are you clear? See, first Roman memory lines and then fourth Roman 6 questions. So this 2 you have to read, and then another one more thing is based on this worksheet. So this poem you didn't have any worksheet. Okay. So you just complete this 2 homeworks only with correct manner. First Roman memory lines and then fourth Roman 1 to 6 questions. So you have to write it in your note. So this is your home test. Okay. Yeah. So remaining Romans you just read well in your examination, which will helps you to get more marks. Okay. Yeah. So thank you students. All the best for you all.